Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am about to go to my friend's place because she got pulled out for a flight and her cat is alone at her place. So I'm gonna go take Fluffy here. Yeah, that's how I'm starting my day today. Fluffy, let's go. Let's go. Get inside. Good boy. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Fluffy. Come out. Up. Good boy. The electricity is gone and it is raining outside, and Fluffy and we are enjoying the rain. I think Fluffy loves rain, do you? This guy scared me to death. I thought he ran away. Oh my god, I was looking for him everywhere. But this boy decided to come outside and sit in the corner. Fluffy? Fluffy? He's looking at them.
He is loving it. He is looking at them. Oh my god. Guys, this is an update after an hour. Fluffy is still here and he don't want to get inside. He cannot get away. We need to go. Bye, Fluffy.